Want to use Google's Gemma 4 as your AI assistant? For free, unlimited? Here's exactly how in under 2 minutes. Gemma 4 just dropped open weights, Apache 2.0, multimodal, reasoning capable, but when you try to add it to OpenClaw, you get this missing model. It has no idea what Gemma 4 is. The fix is simple. You add a models block to your OpenClaw config. Tell it the API protocol, context window, and capabilities. That's it. Or even easier, run this one-liner bash script. It auto-patches your config, validates it, restarts the gateway, and verifies everything works. Zero manual editing. You get two models, the 31B dense, a powerhouse with 256K context, and the 26B mixture of experts, which only activates 4 billion parameters per token. And here's the crazy part. On LLM Arena, Gemma 431B scores 1452, the exact same score as Claude Sonnet 4.5, same performance, zero cost. Both are completely free on the Gemini API. The 31B gets 15,000 tokens per minute, and if you want truly unlimited, run them locally with Ultima. Gemma 4 E4B runs on a MacBook with just 10 gigs of RAM. And here's the proof. Gemma 4 E4B running locally on my MacBook through Telegram. I send it a photo of my screen, and it describes exactly what it sees. Multimodal vision, running on device, completely free. No API, no rate limits. Watch, I run the patch script. Both models register. I send a message. Gemma 4 responds in under 4 seconds, working perfectly as my personal AI assistant. Full article with the patch script and step-by-step guide in the link below. Go set it up. It takes 60 seconds.